Good. Good, wait. Alright, let's go. Good. With me. Good girl. Good. Thank you. Sky, with me. With me. Good. Wrong side, doofus. Good. Sky, with me. Good. Get on my flower bed. With me. With me. Good. Leave it. With me. Good. Sky, wait. Good. With me. What a fantastic day. Sit. I know, it's ground's wet and cold, but sorry. Sit. Good. Free. Good job, girly. Let's go. Good. Good girl. Sky, let's go. Good girl. Sky's been trained on the well, okay. Sky's had the e-collar. Her owners use the e-collar. Let's go. Except for they're using it at too high of a level, so she's made a horrible connection with it. That it is for correction only. With me. So she doesn't understand it with me as a pressure like it should be. So unfortunately, when you use it on a correction level with me, she overreacts. She falls on the ground. Which she should be doing. So my goal is to reteach her the e-collar in an appropriate manner so that they don't have to use it on a high level. So she understands it, and she understands it as pressure. With me? Let's go. Good girl. So she understands it as pressure instead of correction. Not to say that you can't use it as a correction, because you can. For jumping on people, for getting in the garbage, for counter surfing, stuff like that, you certainly can use it on a correction level. But if the dog doesn't understand it, then the dog doesn't know what it's supposed to be doing. And so the dog gets very confused. So Sky's pretty confused at this point. She's a really nice dog. If you guys remember Bullet, the dog I trained, the crazy chocolate lab, I think she's related to that dog somehow, and you could almost, they're kind of like twins, so I don't know if it's from the same litter or the same parents or the same, I'm not really even sure, but she's pretty close to him in temperament. So let's go. Good. So we're going to be getting her, except for the whining. I don't think Bullet ever did that, whining. So I am correcting her for that whining with the e-collar as well, just on a low level, single digits. Let's go. Let's go. Good. Also using the leash and collar for guidance. We worked on the crate all day yesterday. Wait. And not busting out. Free. Because she wants to bust out of it, which is counterproductive to her being under threshold, which is what she needs. Wait. Good. Free.